Hey, this is the National Museum of Nowhere, and today we're looking at fantastic fakes.
What do you think about this little chap? Genuine mummified mermaid or gruesome monkey fish combination? You decide. This portrait of Nawa Jages Hedwabe, head chief of Mrs. Aga, portrays a chirpy-looking chappie. Turns out, an unknown artist painted over his original face, which was revealed by conservation work in 1982. Don't worry, Nawa, the 80s had that effect on a lot of people. Finally, don't tell PETA, but the National Museum of Scotland has taken to exploiting furry fish. This extremely rare fur-bearing trout migrates to Scotland every winter and never fails to bring an absolutely fabulous wardrobe.
So my name's John Gill, I'm not a curator, and this was Fantastic Fakes.